Welcome to the Mercedes X165, and we are going to be changing fluids on the front differential, which you see here. The drain and fill plugs. We'll be changing the fluid on the rear differential, and here is the transfer case, which we will also be changing fluid on. The front and rear differentials require a GL5 lubricant, so I'm going to be using Redline 7590 GL5, and the transfer case requires a GL4 with a friction modifier, so I'm going to be using my personal favorite, which is Redline MT90. So here is a better look at the transfer case. You can see the two green marked plugs are the drain and fill. The fluid will come out of the fill plug on this too, because I think it was filled originally when it was level, and it's installed a little bit off kilter in the vehicle. Here you can see the drain plug on the rear differential. This I believe is a 14 millimeter hex. Transfer case is a 10 millimeter hex. The fill plug on the rear diff is right there, also a 14 mil. Good practice, always loosen the fill plug first just to make sure that you can get fluid back into these things. And the front diff, you can see filling it here. My preferred method after draining to fill is a modified power brake bleeder. This is actually designed to put air into a master cylinder reservoir, but if you fill it with oil, you can use it to pump into differentials. Here you can see the rear diff with both plugs out, fully drained. The rear diff fluid was actually a little bit dark. Front looked really good, and the transfer case looked good as well. So you can see the drain plug is back in, and we have the fill plug open, filling it with that 7590 GL5. Here is the same bleeder emptied and filled with Redline MT90 GL4. It's much closer to an ATF solution, but again, the friction modifier is important. I did choose to kind of seal around the opening with my work glove and pump it full, a little bit over full actually, from this perspective. It takes about 700 milliliters. The rear diff is about 1.2 liters, and the front diff is about a liter. I always take the time to go through and paint pen on the actual unit. Of course, you can't see the front here because I put the plate back on, but it's always good practice to write down what you put in and at what mileage, because service records get lost.